Hey, fly. Hey, fly. Okay, so that didn't work. So in this video, I'm going to be talking to this drone. I mean, it's nuts, isn't it? That this drone I can talk to and it talks back. So the whole point of this video is voice command, making this drone react to whatever I say. So should we get on with it? So the first thing we've got to do, guys, now I've got my little display here because I'm going to be using my phone and talking to you guys, and I thought this is the only best way I can do it. So what you want to do is just turn on the drone first. Okay, so the drone's on. Gonna stick it on there. Now thankfully it's not raining. It's not windy, I should say, not raining. So anyway, the drone's facing me, because that's the thing with this drone, you've got to have the drone facing you. So the next thing you want to do is put on your phone. So then we go into the DJI Fly app, making sure, guys, that you've got the up-to-date app on the moment, because if you haven't, you won't get it connected. Okay, so we're already there. It's already saying connect, so it'll go into its Wi-Fi now. It's telling me to join it. You know what, I'm so much looking forward to doing this. A drone that can talk to me. So there you are, you got a picture of me on the screen. Now if you look in the middle, you've got a speech bubble over on the right hand side. So we just click on that. And then you've got voice control. It's not saying nothing to me at the moment. Okay.
I didn't hear you clearly. Please repeat your command.
So, what you got to say, guys, but anyway, before we do that, I'll just go back into it because you want to check the settings. So in the settings, it says at the top, voice wake up. You've got to make sure that it's on, where you can see it's gone green. And then you got, every time you make a command, you have to say, hey, fly.
Here.
And it's heard me, okay? And then you got commands there.
I didn't hear you clearly.
Okay.
Please repeat your command.
Yes, see, it's talking back to me. How rude. So anyway, hey, fly. Take off. Okay, so obviously this is the thing I love about doing these tests. As they say on the can, it didn't always work. So I'm going to do it again. Hey, fly.
Here.
Yes. Hey, fly. Take off.
No problem. Take off.
Sorry about the noise, but we're doing take off. So I'm going to say, hey, fly.
Here.
Follow. Hey, fly.
Go ahead.
Go ahead. Follow.
I didn't hear you clearly. Please repeat your command.
Follow. Hey, fly.
Here.
Follow.
Follow.
Okay, we got it. Okay, so this is going to be quite a tiring test, this, because I've seen some videos, no problems, but I'm sure you're going to get problems with it. So I'm going to say, hey, fly.
Waiting for your command.
Droney.
Droney.
Okay, so off it goes. Now, you've got to remember, guys, with this type of drone, it's got no obstacle avoidance. This hasn't got a return to home. This is a Wi-Fi drone. There's a possibility it could fly off. I don't think it will. But anyway, it's done that. Hey, fly.
Waiting for your command.
Circle.
Circle.
So it's going to do a circle. Now this will be interesting because my car is there. I'm just going to change it now onto follow. We're going to say, hey, fly.
Go ahead.
Higher.
I didn't hear you clearly. Please repeat your command.
Higher. This could be my Dorset accent. Higher. Hey, fly.
Here.
Higher.
I didn't hear you clearly. Please repeat your command.
Higher. Do you want me to spell it for you? Okay. Hey, fly.
Go ahead.
Closer.
I didn't hear you clearly. Please repeat your command.
Closer. Now that ain't working, is it? Let's try. Hey, fly.
Here.
Further. Further.
I didn't hear you clearly. Please
Further.
repeat your command.
Yeah, I am. Further. Hey, fly.
Go ahead.
Land.
Okay.
Okay, so it's going to
Landing.
land now. Hey, fly.
Here.
Take off.
Got it.
I love it, got it. Now that word is not actually in the script. So that's pretty good. Hey, fly.
Go ahead.
Higher.
Follow.
Okay, it's going higher. That's good. And we're following. Again, so. Hey, fly.
Here.
Close follow.
Follow.
Okay. Hey, fly.
Waiting for your command.
Stop.
Okay.
So I've stopped now, got the drone stopped. So every time you want something to do, you've got to say it. Hey, fly.
Here.
Follow.
Follow.
Now, it's obviously facing the wrong. Now it's coming back to me. Okay, very clever. Very clever. Well done. Okay. Hey, fly.
Waiting for your command.
Can you land on my hand? That is
I
spook.
didn't hear you clearly. Please repeat your command.
No, I'm not doing any more now. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to shut everything down and we'll have a quick chat. So, what did I think? I think it's a little bit gimmicky because some of the commands it just couldn't understand, but some it did. I was surprised with when I said 6 meter follow, no, 6 meter droney. I didn't think it'd do that, but it did. It went up there. And some of the other commands, one of them especially, was take off. That's not on the list. But obviously, when I go in, I think it's called following, I went in there, yeah, it didn't understand me. Now, it could be my accent. Maybe, like with all these things, maybe it's trying to understand my voice. So maybe in a couple of days' time, because obviously it's soaking in all the information. Maybe it's picking up my dialect or my accent. But other than that, yeah, I was pretty impressed. But like I said, a little bit gimmicky. The other thing, which a little bit concerning, obviously, if you did lose signal, I don't know how it would work. Could you still give it a command to stop or land or brake? Because you've got a couple 2 or 3 seconds, and by then the drone could be well off. I don't know. This is something that I don't want to test out, guys. I think when you're using your phone or you're just using it as a hands-free device, it's a selfie drone and it's not going to go far. But I can't say 99%, that 1% it could just fly off, because this is a Wi-Fi based drone. It's not going to hurt anybody, but you could say goodbye to 200 euros or pound or whatever. If you got the Carefree free fresh thing insurance, yeah, maybe you better send them the information and they'll give you a replacement. But I ain't doing none of those tricks, guys. I've seen some people already going over the sea, over a cliff. This is a selfie drone. It's a fun drone. This is not, like I said before, this ain't going to replace the Mini 4 Pro or any of the other drones. This is just a play drone, you know, a fun drone. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the vid. I'll catch you on my next one. We'll be trying out using the mic. That's actually, I believe, no, it's not in the drone. It's actually on your phone, but it blots out that irritating sound. I've seen a few videos, so I'll be testing that out. Anyway, as always, there'll be another video coming very soon.